how many watermelons should we allow to grow on each vine to get big, juicy watermelons? And this is Jennifer from Maple Park, Illinois. Because don't we want big, juicy watermelons, right?
Yes. And that question's a little tricky.
Yeah.
It depends on what type of watermelon you're growing.
That's right.
As to how many fruit that vine can support.
Right.
And watermelon take up so much space.
Yes,
the vines take up so much space. And they will set way more, they will have more blooms, many more blooms than fruit that they can support. They will actually even begin to set a number of fruit. And then as we get into the season, abort the ones that they know they can't support. So they're kind of naturally thinning themselves, if that makes sense.
It makes sense.
So I don't think that we have to be super proactive on pulling buds or early developing fruits off of our watermelons. I think that plant knows how many it can support. Our larger fruited varieties are going to be able to support less mature number, like a less number of fruit to maturity. So, you know, say a Jubilee or a black diamond watermelon, those really large varieties, 2, 3 maybe per plant. In a home garden setting, and then our smaller cultivars, sugar babies, those are so yummy. You know, we could do more on that. 4, 5,
Yeah,
maybe.
I think you get away with 4 or 5 easy with sugar babies. And then there's a crimson sweet. That you can probably get away with about 3 to 5. You know, those. I think those would be good.
So that's a good range, but don't get too preoccupied trying to pull off buds or blooms or anything like that.
I would agree with that, Celeste. But I will say this: make sure they get plenty of water. They are watermelons.
Yes,
right.
they need.
So they need
consistent water.
Consistent water.
Yes, they don't want to go through, you know, droughts and then deluges of water. Let's try to keep that consistent.